Welcome to a world where luxury meets architectural brilliance, where every corner tells a story of prestige and grandeur. Today, we embark on a journey to explore one of Brisbane's most iconic residences, a masterpiece standing tall along the Brisbane River. Spanning 4 levels and offering unrivaled 360-degree views of the city, this landmark address commands attention, embodying the epitome of sophistication and elegance. Originally owned by former Brisbane Lord Mayor Clem Jones, this prestigious 2,100 square metre site with a 27 metre river frontage holds a rich history. From the iconic arched dome to the sprawling rooftop terrace, every detail exudes opulence and sophistication. Step into a resort-inspired oasis where luxury knows no bounds. A championship-sized tennis court, riverside pool area with a white sandy beach, fire pit, and self-contained cabana redefine outdoor living at its finest. Inside, a flowing multi-level floor plan seamlessly blends family living with entertaining spaces. Floor-to-ceiling glass windows frame the panoramic river and city views, while premium finishes and inclusions elevate the living experience to new heights. Indulge your culinary senses in a magnificent kitchen equipped with top-of-the-line Millet appliances and stone benchtops. Meanwhile, dedicated entertainment zones offer everything from a home gym and library to a wine tasting area and full bar. Retreat to the upper floor where 5 luxurious bedrooms await, thoughtfully separated into individual wings, including a lavish master suite with dual en-suites and a walk-in dressing room. Step outside to discover a haven of relaxation and entertainment. An 80,000-litre swimming pool, private pontoon, and sprawling terraces adorned with European limestone offers endless opportunities for leisure and enjoyment. This is more than just a home. It's a once-in-a-generation opportunity to own a piece of architectural history in Brisbane's most coveted locale. Don't miss your chance to experience luxury living at its finest.